Welcome to Labii tutorial. Labii is the next-generation research platform that seamlessly integrates electronic lab notebook and laboratory information management system, with high customization and widget extendability for a variety of disciplines. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the signature status column widget. Generally speaking, the signature status of a record refers to the status of its digital signature, which can be used for evaluating its authenticity, and ensuring that it has not been altered or tampered with in any way. You will be able to view in real time the signature status of each record using this widget. Auditor who constantly needs to check the signing status of experiment notes will benefit from this widget. In order to get started, you will need to install an electronic lab notebook. The widget will be available to both entries and experiments. To begin, I will create an experiment entry. Click the Columns tab. In the Signature Status column, you can see Unsigned, which indicates that the entry has not been signed yet. Next, we will sign the entry. In the Signature Status column, you can see Signed, which indicates that the entry has been signed. Additionally, the Signature Status widget can show the witnessing progress when the author has already been signed, but the witness has not yet been signed. We will create a new entry with witnesses. In the Signature Status column, you can see Witnessing, which indicates that the entry has been signed by the author but has not yet been signed by the witnesses. In the Entries List view, you can see the signature status for each entry directly. This allows you to get a general idea of the signature status of all the entries. That's it for the Signature Status widget. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to our channel to get the most recent updates. To learn more, schedule a meeting with Labii representatives at call.skd.labii.com, or create an account at labii.com/signup, to try it out yourself.